show you the McD Happy Meal, the Space Jam one. The first one is Bugs Bunny. There's like a switch on it, and then you can move it left and right, so the ball in its head will bounce to each ears. Next, Lola Bunny. We must put the ball in her ears, and then pull her ears. Wow, that's too late. That's too fail. Okay, and pull her rings and ears, and it bounces like that. It can throw the ball. Next, Daffy Duck. There's a ball too, like Lola Bunny did, but not this one. It's this ball. This ball has a hole in it, and then you must fit in it. And then you must make the fit of the Daffy Duck like become one, so it will throw the ball too, like Lola Bunny, like that. Next, Tasmania Devil. Wait, not this ball. It was this one. There's so many balls. There's two types of ball. There's the whole one and another one. So this is how to play. You put it here, and then you throw the ball. Well, not now. Then you put the ball to come in here. You throw the ball like this. Push, and then he will close it because there's a ball in it. Pull, and then he will protect the ball. You can spin it around too, like this. Next, Coyote. There's a T shape like T. You put it in, and then you launch it. This is how to. There's a button. You can launch it. This is the smoke. Okay, that's it. Next, Roadrunner. There's a wheel in it, which is moving its body. You must do it. The faster you make it moving, like to the front, the faster it moves. Like it's gonna move like this, like that. Next, Sylvester and Tweety. This is Tweety on the ball, and this is Sylvester. It's a cat and a bird. There's a switch on, like so. It can move like this. Next, Elmer Foot. You put the ring in here. This is kind of hard. It's not this one. I mean this ring. It is two ring because. Wow, do you see it? Okay, this is hard. I'm gonna cut it first, then wait, no, not now. Okay, so we got a ball too from Elmer Foot. So the ball, wait, no, we forgot something. Stand. There. So we throw the ball. And then its head will go off like this. Wait. Put it in again, and then just now this is happening. There, like that. Next, LeBron James and the ring. And the ball too. And then the ring, the picture of the ring, Space Jam, you can change it become the Goon Squad. But it's better for me is the Space Jam one. Then, wait, don't run away. We put the LeBron James, this hand, put it in here. Wait, no. Like here. There. There. There are the sticks. Now let it stand like this. Now we throw the ball like this. This is happening. And wish. It is just normally this. You throw the ball. Wow. Throw the ball like that. That's normal. Actually, I missed some of the toy. It was the Sam one and also the LeBron James, but the 3D one. We can touch it in real, like the Bugs Bunny. Okay, that's all for today. Bye-bye.